Hello everyone. I am starting a different line of videos. On a different channel, I have stuff about my business for Eric's Gear, which is a small manufacturing company, and it's about the things that I do for it. But today I am having a little bit of fun, and I am going to start talking about all the different Rubik's Cubes that I have, as well as solving them. These are just most of them. And then down here, I have a few other ones. And I have recently moved, so I think I'm still missing a few. But as I go through the video series, I'm hoping to do more than just this one. I will show how to solve the different ones, and I will show how I solve them normally. So this is the set that, well, except for this one, I haven't solved yet. This one, I've stopped cubing for almost 2 years, and I forgot how to solve for this with the normal algorithm. I can solve it without the algorithm, but I'd like to relearn the algorithm, and I just haven't done it yet. So as I do this series, I will relearn the algorithm to fix this parity issue. But until then, it's down here with the rest of them that I can't solve yet. And part of that is just learning the algorithms. So I have this one mostly done, but it's out of whack. This one I have a bunch done on it, but haven't finished it. I fiddled around with this one quite a bit, haven't gotten it. So that's where I'm at, and that's where I'm going to start from.